In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Discover on Snapchat. If Discover content is not really your thing, and you prefer to have more control over what you see, you're in the right place. Let's walk through some tips and tweaks to help tailor your Snapchat experience to suit your preferences better. To begin with, let's head to the Discover screen. You can easily get there by opening the Snapchat app and swiping right from your camera screen. Once you're on the Discover screen, scroll through the array of stories and channels until you come across something you're not particularly interested in. Maybe there's a channel or a story you'd rather avoid seeing in the future. In that case, all you need to do is press and hold on the story for a moment or two. This action will bring up a menu with a few options. From there, go ahead and tap on Hide or choose See Less Like This. Doing so essentially helps Snapchat gauge your content preferences over time, and bit by bit leads to less unwanted content cluttering your feed. Now, you may have noticed that Snapchat doesn't allow users to completely turn off Discover. However, by managing the visibility of individual pieces of content, you can significantly influence the nature of the stories featured on your feed. Up next, we'll focus on restricting spotlight content and ads, which can also contribute to a cleaner Snapchat experience. First, make your way to the settings menu. You can access this by tapping your profile icon positioned at the top left corner of your Snapchat screen and then tapping the gear icon symbolizing settings at the top right. When you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find privacy and then tap on ads. Here's where you can adjust your ad preferences. Though it won't entirely remove ads from your experience, tweaking these settings will limit how personalized and frequent ad content appears in your feed. Additionally, when it comes to Spotlight, a feature which showcases user-generated content, you have the option to hide or even report individual videos that don't align with your interests. This added layer of control allows you to further fine-tune the content that populates your Snapchat environment. In summary, while it's not possible to completely remove Discover from your Snapchat experience, these steps will certainly help in making your feed cleaner and more aligned with your personal tastes. Remember, a more customized feed not only helps in amplifying your interests, but also makes using Snapchat significantly more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping!